Stacked column chart. So basically we use stack column chart builds on the cluster version by stacking segments within each column to show composition and totals. So basically when to use it, we use it when you want or when we want to display part to whole relationship while also comparing total across categories. It's effective for showing how individual parts contribute to a sum. So for example, you are selling like say four goods, four product A, B, C. And if you want to see that what is the contribution of product A to the total sale, what is the contribution of product B to the total sales, what is the contribution of part C to the total sales. And similarly, if you have 50 employees and if you want to see that what is the contribution of employee A to the total sales, what is the contribution of employee B to the total sales. So in that scenario, stacked column chart gives you the best picture. So for example, budget analysis, stack expenses by type, fixed versus variable cost per quarter to see both the total spend and breakdowns. For labeling option for x-axis, you can label as categories such as time period or groups. And for y-axis, you have to take the cumulative numerical values dataset. So simply for x-axis, it is most appropriate for stacked column chart to take the categorical variables, and for y-axis, it is most appropriate to take the numerical values. And for legends, you can add the stack segment like subcategories or the product lines. And for data labels, you can on or off this option depending on that if you want to show the data labels or not. Okay, this is an additional option. And if you want to show some more details, then you go with the small multiples, and then you can add option to these. So here you can see that we have make a stacked column chart. So you can see that on x-axis we have taken the period, as you can see from here, and for y-axis we have taken the numerical values that is of volume, and you can see that we have also legends over here. You can see that we have on the option of legends here, and here you can see that the data label option is on. So this is how you can make the stacked column chart if you want to compare the multiple products, multiple employees performance, or multiple employees total product sale to overall sale. So here this is the overall sales, and you can say that this is the contribution of employee A, this is the contribution of employee B, and this much is the contribution of employee C. So this is how you can make and explain the stacked column chart in Power BI.